Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will show you step by step how to book flight ticket online using AirAsia. First of all, open any internet browser on your PC, a laptop or Mac. Once that's open, go to airlinesasia.com. Now we are on homepage and this is where we enter our travel details. So first thing first, from where you will go, so Bratislava in my case, to where. So I choose Oman right over here. Then you can choose where, in which airport you would like to go. So let's choose that one. Now next we will select departure date. So let's go for 15th of February and return will be in 15th of March. So we have kind of time. Once everything looks correct, go ahead and confirm to details. So done and search. Now click on a search as you can saw. Now we will wait a moment while the page loads. Here we can then choose available flight options for your selected dates. Okay, so I needed to change my destinations because nothing found before. But now we are here. So now take your time here and compare the schedules and prices. When you find a flight that works best for you, just select it. On the next screen, you will see the full flight details, including timing and price. If everything looks good, move on to the payment. So economy, we can book this one. Now, if everything looks good, move on to the payment step here. So click here the checkout. And you will fill in your data, everything you need. And after that, just press continue and you have your flying tickets. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next one.